Hey, what's up? Jarby here and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the things you need to consider before importing your files into 3ds Max. If you're a beginner and wanted to step into 3ds Max, then this video is for you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to check our scale units. We can do that by going into Window, Model Info, Units, and for the format we're going to use decimal and millimeters. Next is very important, it must be done correctly. We are going to create subgroups of the furniture, such as for this example, separate the backrest, the pillow, the blanket, the seating, the arms, and the frames. What we are trying to avoid is something like this: one object and everything in it were exploded. Lastly, we are going to save the file into SketchUp version 8, because anything higher than this, you will have problems when importing into 3ds Max. Okay, so those were the things that you need to do in SketchUp before you import your files into 3ds Max. Now let's open Max and let's try to import this file. Okay, so we are now in 3ds Max and I'm using the 2020 version. Before we import the file, we need to check first our scale units. We can go here in Customize, Unit Setup, choose metric and millimeters. Check also here in System Unit Setup and choose millimeters. Click OK. Now we are ready to import. Click here in File, Import, and now it's quite different here in 2020, but let's try to using grouping and Z up. You can import the textures as well if you want to, and also the cameras. Click import. Okay, so it's here. Press Alt W to maximize this window and try to rotate. Okay, so this is the reason why we broke up the parts earlier in SketchUp. Let's check the model. Open. Now if you notice, all our parts were extracted individually. Comparing to this one, you cannot open this because it's just a single object. It's a single object with multiple materials. If you're a beginner, it will be hard for you to change the materials or edit the UVW mapping for this one. Comparing to this, it will be easier. This works not just for furniture, but you can use this workflow every time you import your SketchUp projects into 3ds Max. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.